Welcome to French Wordsmith DIY short How to Use France Connect. I'm Jenny Smith and I landed on French soil in 2001. My 20 plus years of the joys of French red tape means others can find their feet more quickly with my translation and administration services and products. You'll find out more on my website frenchwordsmith.fr, and do also sign up to my YouTube channel if you want to know of new DIY shorts being released, though there's a lot more to be found on my website. Have a great day and hope you enjoy learning about France Connect. So, France Connect is the French government's online portal that gives you easy access to hundreds of other websites and services, which if you live in France you'll need, even if understandably you wish you didn't. Think of France Connect as a gateway or a shortcut to other websites, apart from the fun ones like music and film channels. It's a bit like a master key. So, when you go to a new website you need, before creating a new account, look for this symbol. But do remember that not anyone can use France Connect. Click on the symbol and you'll see what I mean. You'll need to already have at least one online account out of these 7 websites already set up, because they have already checked your ID and credentials beforehand. The tax office, for example, have already seen the mugshot on your passport or know where you live. So you've got tax office, CPAM's Amélie website, La Poste's new identité numérique digital ID checking system, a similar one for Orange clients. Apparently, orange isn't my favourite colour. The Dear MSA organisation for the farming world, and something new to me called Juris, another new digital ID checking app, and France Identité, which is another new ID checking app from the French government, still in testing phase. Okay, so you want to use, let's say, the ANTS website to register a new car. You could create an online account with ANTS, but you'll have to remember yet another password, plus you still won't be able to do some tasks because you need the higher level access that France Connect will give you. So you go to the website you want to access, go to Se Connecter to log in, avoid Je crée un compte, you don't need a new account, go to France Connect, select the existing online account you want to use. I'm going to use Amélie. Pop in your logins. Select Me Connecter. And then you have a message confirming that continuing will take you onto the original website of your choice. Click to continue. Et voila! Thank you for watching another DIY short from French Wordsmith. Do give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to the French Wordsmith YouTube channel for notifications of new video shorts. Though don't forget there's a raft of services and products to help you better navigate the French bureaucratic maze, all on my website frenchwordsmith.fr.